पंजाब टेलीविजन देख रहे ਸਾਰੇ ਦਰਸ਼ਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰੀ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਨਮਸਕਾਰ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਮਨਨ ਗੁਪਤਾ ਇਸ ਟੀਵੀ ਚੈਨਲ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੱਖਰੇ ਵੱਖਰੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮਸ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹੋ ਸਾਡੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਰੂਬਰੂ ਸਾਡੀਆਂ ਲੋਕਲ ਪਰਸਨੈਲਿਟੀਜ਼ ਲੋਕਲ ਸਰਕਾਰੀ ਅਦਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਨੁਮਾਇੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਪੇਸ਼ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਏ ਔਰ ਇਸੇ ਲੜੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਅੱਜ ਜੁੜੇ ਨੇ ਪੀਲ ਰੀਜਨਲ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਦੇ ਦੋ ਆਫੀਸਰਸ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਪੀਲ ਰੀਜਨਲ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਇੱਕ ਐਸੀ ਲਾਅ ਐਨਫੋਰਸਮੈਂਟ ਏਜੰਸੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਿ ਪੀਲ ਰੀਜਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਐਡਮਿਨਿਸਟ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ ਖਾਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਮਿਸੀਸਾਗਾ ਔਰ ਬਰੈਂਪਟਨ ਦੇ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਆਲਮੋਸਟ 1.2 ਮਿਲੀਅਨ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆਬਾਦੀ ਹੈ ਪੋਪੂਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੀਲ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਲਾਅ ਐਨਫੋਰਸਮੈਂਟ ਏਜੰਸੀਜ਼ ਦੇ ਆਫੀਸਰਸ ਘੁੰਮਦੇ ਨੇ ਪੈਟਰੋਲਿੰਗ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਔਰ ਐਨਫੋਰਸਮੈਂਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਪੀਲ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਕਾਫੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਇਨੀਸ਼ੀਏਟਿਵਸ ਲਿੱਤੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਤੱਕ ਪਹੁੰਚਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੋੜੇ ਰੱਖਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਔਰ ਉਸੇ ਲੜੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਇਵੈਂਟ ਹੈ ਰੇਸ ਅਗੇਂਸਟ ਰੇਸਿਜ਼ਮ ਸੋ ਰੇਸ ਅਗੇਂਸਟ ਰੇਸਿਜ਼ਮ ਕਦੋਂ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਉਹਦਾ ਫੋਕਸ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਉਹਦਾ ਪਰਪਸ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੀ ਸਾਰੀ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਟੂਡੀਓ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੋ ਖਾਸ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ ਨੇ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੂੰਗਾ ਕਾਂਸਟੇਬਲ ਵੇਨ ਮੂਰ ਜੋ ਕਿ ਪੀਲ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਦੀ ਡਾਈਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਰਿਲੇਸ਼ਨਸ ਯੂਨਿਟ ਨੂੰ ਬਿਲੋਂਗ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਵੇਨ ਵੈਲਕਮ ਟੂ ਦ ਸ਼ੋ ਵੈਲਕਮ ਟੂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਟੈਲੀਵਿਜ਼ਨ
Thank you.
It's a pleasure to have you amongst us.
It's a pleasure to be here for this.
ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਵੈਰੀ ਮਚ ਔਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਥ ਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਕਾਂਸਟੇਬਲ ਮਨਦੀਪ ਬਾਂਬਰ ਜੀ ਮਨਦੀਪ ਜੀ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਵੀ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਟੈਲੀਵਿਜ਼ਨ ਤੇ ਕਾਫੀ ਵਾਰ ਦੇਖ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹੋ ਕੁਝ ਸਮਾਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਡਾਈਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਰਿਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਯੂਨਿਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੀਗੇ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਰੀਸੈਂਟਲੀ ਹੀ ਹੈਜ਼ ਬੀਨ ਟ੍ਰਾਂਸਫਰਡ ਟੂ ਟ੍ਰੈਫਿਕ ਐਨਫੋਰਸਮੈਂਟ ਸੋ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਟ੍ਰੈਫਿਕ ਦੀ ਵੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਡਾਈਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਦੀ ਵੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਮਨਦੀਪ ਜੀ ਵੈਲਕਮ ਟੂ ਪੰਜਾਬ
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਮਨਨ ਜੀ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਫॉर ਹੈਵਿੰਗ ਮੀ ਔਨ ਦ ਸ਼ੋ ਐਂਡ ਥੈਂਕਸ ਫॉर ਹੈਵਿੰਗ ਵੇਨ ਹੈਗਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਨਵਾਂ ਆਫੀਸਰ ਇਨ ਚਾਰਜ ਰੇਸ ਦਾ
ਰਾਈਟ
right so we'll talk more about the race
absolutely ji or Wayne is here Mandeep ji is here or definitely all of you are here all our viewers so ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਸਾਡੀ ਆਹੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਸ ਸੈਗਮੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੇਸ ਅਗੇਂਸਟ ਰੇਸਿਜ਼ਮ ਦੇ ਫੋਕਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਉਹਦਾ ਮੈਂਡੇਟ ਬਾਰੇ ਜਾਣਨ ਦੀ ਸੋ Wayne tell us something about now you are the new officer heading this very important event coming up on June 4th right
Correct.
It's the 16th annual race against racism happening on Saturday June 4th in Mississauga so tell us about what is the focus and how the race has evolved over the last 15 years?
Well, the race is basically to bring the community together, bring everyone together for this event. It's a 5-kilometer race, walk or stroll through the park.
Right.
At the end, there's going to be entertainment. There's going to be a lot of food, diverse food from different, ethnicities that are going to be shared with the community.
Right. So the focus of the race is to connect community, right?
That's correct. Yeah.
And do you think Peel Police has been able to achieve that goal in the last 15, 16 years?
Oh, yes, for sure. Every year, this is the 16th year that this race has been going, and it grows every single year. And we're hoping that this year the weather's going to be on our side, and a lot of people will show up and make the event even better.
Absolutely.
regardless the weather rain or shine we're making this happen right so we rely on our community
Wonderful.
right we rely on our communication and thanks to your show and getting the word out that's
Right.
the most important thing is getting the word out getting these people to know about a race against racism this thing's now on our website
Right.
so if you have any questions you can go to peelpolice.ca and actually look in our website and there's registration forms all the information's on there
ਐਬਸੋਲੂਟਲੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਵਿਊਅਰਸ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਇਸ ਪੀਲ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਦੇ ਇਨੀਸ਼ੀਏਟਿਵ ਰੇਸ ਅਗੇਂਸਟ ਰੇਸਿਜ਼ਮ ਦੀ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ peelpolice.ca ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਲੈ ਸਕਦੇ ਨੇ ਵੈਬਸਾਈਟ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਵੱਖਰੇ ਵੱਖਰੇ ਵਿਜ਼ੂਅਲਸ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਆ ਰੇਸ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕਿਸ ਡੇਟ ਨੂੰ ਹੈ ਸਾਰੀ ਡਿਟੇਲਸ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਦੇਖਣ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਸੋ ਮਨਦੀਪ ਸਿੰਸ ਯੂ ਆਰ ਇਨਵੋਲਵਡ ਇਨ ਦ ਲਾਸਟ ਕਪਲ ਆਫ ਐਡੀਸ਼ਨਸ ਆਫ ਦਿਸ ਰੇਸ ਅਗੇਂਸਟ ਰੇਸਿਜ਼ਮ ਐਂਡ ਦੇਰ ਇਜ਼ ਆਲਵੇਜ਼ ਅ ਹਿਊਜ ਟਰਨ ਆਊਟ ਆਫ ਦ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀਜ਼ mixed communities from different multicultural ethnic background do you see moving ahead or especially this year there'll be something new added attraction at the race
well we're going to keep it the same attractions like there'll be police cars there
okay
the bache and all the kids can actually sit down in the police cars take pictures right
okay
you'll see a lot of senior management senior officers there and when you see especially with kids bache na hunda right that connection with the police officer is very important right there's always some sort of negative connection because parents ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਗਲਤੀ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ we're going to tell the police right we want to get away from that right it's always we want the kids to approach us we want people to ask us questions right we're humans too and we're going to answer those questions and treat you like a person too right so as for the entertainment there's going to be different entertainment we got the Chinese dragon dance coming in We've got our pipe band coming in. Lots of. I'm not going to give it all away.
Okay.
I'm not going to give that all away, right?
So there's a lot of surprise.
We got
element.
Bhangra team coming in. We got the Tamil community coming in. So we'll keep it locked and loaded. As they say.
Wonderful. So there'll be a lot of giveaways also, right?
Yes.
If I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, lots of giveaways.
People get a lot of giveaways because I remember a couple of years ago when this race used to be held in Brampton, Gage Park. I happened to be there. It was my initial years in Canada, and the race had just started being organized over there, right?
Were you in the race?
Yeah, I was in the race.
Okay.
Yeah, I was in the race.
There
Definitely.
must be a YouTube over there.
We'll try to find it out. But it was during the time of Chief Mike Metcalf. He was the chief at that time. So it has been quite a while. But definitely, there have been a lot of community presence at the recent editions, and we look forward to a great day over there. So is there any cost for people to participate? What is the modus operandi? How do people can participate in this?
Well, Thursday, Friday is
Right.
pre-registration,
Yes.
Okay.
which is June 2nd and 3rd. You come down to our Special Operations Building located at 180 Dairy Road East.
Okay.
And that's pre-registration. We have pre-registration because there's 500 kits available. Those kits are race kits. Now you get lots of police stuff in there.
Okay.
A T-shirt. We got Powerade, coconut water. Well, the community has donated so much.
So a lot of
for
swag
those-
items.
Yes. And this is from our community.
Right.
Right? They said, you know what, we support the race. Here's some gift items to give to the community.
Okay.
So we got 500 kits ready to go for
Okay.
that. And
Okay.
we have pre-registration. Usually we have a massive lineup for that.
Okay.
So we encourage everyone in that community to come the pre-registration date.
Okay, Thursday and Friday, which
Yep.
is just like June 2nd and 3rd, right?
Yes.
And each division also has a box basically where you can register there as well.
Okay,
Each
so
division within the region appeal.
okay, so if you're living in near a particular regional division office, you
Yep.
can visit there and
Yes.
get yourself registered, right?
And some of our little sub offices as well. They're also equipped with the box that you can go and pre-register as well.
Wonderful. So the people, those who will register for the race, the first 500, they will get those special kits,
Yes,
right?
yes.
And the others, they will get some other giveaways.
Well, we'll try to have some raffle prizes. If they have, we'll have a raffle table there.
Right.
Right. Hopefully they can win something, and there'll be great prizes being donated.
yes.
Wonderful. So what's the timing of the race? When does it start, and what's the total timeline of the event? Wayne, if you could throw some.
The race basically, well, we're going to be setting up first thing in the morning, but the race starts at I believe 10:30
Okay.
in the morning, and it's going to be maybe about 2 hours
Okay.
for the entire event.
So we want everyone to come there 9 o'clock, ready to go.
Yeah.
Right.
Right, because our wonderful chief's going to be there.
The Chief Jennifer Evans?
Yes.
Okay.
The mayor of Mississauga, Mayor of Brampton's going to be there.
Okay.
And other dignitaries will be there. They're going to have their say in the actual race and encourage the crowd, encourage the runners, because we got some serious runners that attended last year too.
Right.
Like professional runners, and their timings were amazing. Right? So a lot of people look forward to this. And we encourage everyone to come on time. That way, if there are race kits available,
Right.
you can still grab some.
Right. I was going through the poster. It says it is a 5-kilometer road race. Like you could either walk, you could even do a stroller roll. Families coming with their young kids in the strollers, so they can also participate,
Yes,
right?
yes.
It's not necessary that you have to
It's
run.
It's not competitive.
Right.
Right? You'll have that competitive person out there
Right.
that wants to, finish in time, beat his time
Uh-huh.
or her time. It's up to them. But we
Right.
encourage families to come on. And it's, you know what? Mississauga Valley, the community center, the actual park area is very nice. It's a nice walking route or running route.
Okay. The Mississauga Valley Community, where is it exactly located for those viewers, those who have never been to Mississauga?
The exact address is 1275 Mississauga Valley Boulevard, but it's basically Burnhamthorpe and Central Parkway. It's
Okay.
right in that area, very close to Square One.
Very close. So there's enough parking there for
Oh,
people
yeah,
to
yeah.
park their
Lots
vehicles?
of parking, yeah.
Lots of parking available.
This morning we went and we did a walk through the park just to make sure, and it is very nice. And when the foliage starts to come in, it's really going to be a nice area for everybody. to get
Absolutely.
together.
So in another 3 weeks, it will be Race Against Racism, 16th annual edition of Race Against Racism being organized by the initiative of Peel Regional Police. और बहुत सारे business अदारे ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ support कर रहे हैं. So if you want to support this race, you can still contact the organizers. If you have any giveaways, any prizes, any door prizes, anything which would encourage those participants, being welcomed over there, it would be really appreciated. So you can reach Peel Police at their respective phone numbers. And definitely before we, wind up, tell us something about, are there any celebrity runners coming there? Any selfie opportunities with all those,
Well, I know a great host. His name is Manan Gupta. He's gonna be the lead runner.
Wow, I didn't ask for that.
We're gonna give him a special shirt.
Okay, that was good. That was good. No, I really want to thank both of you for coming to Punjab Television and sharing your thoughts. But before we wind up today's discussion, tell us something about other initiatives taken by Peel Police, because the tagline of Peel Police is a safer community together.
Yes.
How can we build a safer community working together? I know this is one such initiative, which is police public partnership.
Yep.
What about others?
Well, the key thing is working together.
Right.
And Peel Police does have initiatives out there. Cops for Cancer, you must have heard about that. And there's going to be lots of initiatives. Like your road show is coming up.
Yeah.
And we're going to send a few officers there. There'll be information about the race, but it's just getting together as a community. And there's obviously future plans for Peel Police to be involved greatly in the community.
Exactly. Wayne, you would like to add something on that?
Just the more involvement that we have from the community, the better the community is going to be.
Right. So, how to be involved, how to be engaged with Peel Police, these events are best opportunities for you. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਆਓ ਇਸ ਰੇਸ ਅਗੇਂਸਟ ਰੇਸਿਜ਼ਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਉੱਥੇ Peel Police ਦਾ ਸਟਾਫ ਹੋਏਗਾ। ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਵਿਊਅਰਸ Peel Police ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹਾਇਰਿੰਗ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਹਾਇਰ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਉਹਦੀ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਉੱਥੇ ਮਿਲੇਗੀ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ I think your recruitment bureau will also be there, right?
Yes.
Giving away some details, giving away some information.
All the information that you require if you're interested in becoming a police officer or any other member of Peel Regional Police, because we have our civilians facilities. There's lots of information out there.
Right. Once again, 16th annual Race Against Racism is being held on June 4th, which is a Saturday. The venue is Mississauga Valley Community Center, which, like Wayne mentioned, it is near Burnhamthorpe and the Square One area. There is enough parking, so do register yourself. Bring your families. It will be a great, fun-filled day. Meet the Chief of Police Jennifer Evans and lots of other senior officers and our political leaders. And definitely, when you bring your kids, they'll meet police officers. They can get their questions answered, selfies taken, and they can get themselves pictured in police cruisers. So there's really a lot of fun, lot of excitement, and a lot of giveaways as well. So once again, Saturday, June 4th, and if you want to know more about Race Against Racism, do log on to www.peelpolice.ca. The Diversity Relations Unit will also be present at the 8th annual Road to Day show being held on May 28th at the Soccer Center. You can come and visit over there also. But once again, thank you to both of you, Mandeep, and thank you to Wayne for coming over and sharing this wonderful information.
Thank you, Mananjeet.
Thank you.
Really appreciate it.
This was a special presentation by Punjab Television talking about promoting the race against racism. See you next time soon. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. सत श्री अकाल.